All right, sorry about it. So first we're gonna go over the giveaway. So I have decided that I'm gonna let the giveaway be, it's gonna be, oh excuse me, when we reach 100 subscribers. So when we reach 100 subscribers, I'm gonna do the giveaway. So I'm gonna just review some products that I already have in the giveaway, and I'm gonna be adding 3 new products. And I'm gonna constantly be adding products to the giveaway until I reach my 100 subscribers, because I don't know how long that will be. So there may be enough stuff to have more than one winner. So I think the first things that we have in the giveaway are the Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadows. These things are beautiful. I borderline wanting to use them, but I don't use a lot of single shadows, so I would probably just use them one time and it would just be wasted. So these are in the giveaway. I did decide to put the Suva, I'm not quite sure how you pronounce it, highlighting drops in the giveaway. I did not open these. All of this stuff is unused, unswatched, never used it. So I decided to put that in the giveaway. We added the Ava Hydration Cream Mask. This is in the giveaway. I think just recently I added the Aveda Damage Remedy. This is some hair repair if you have damaged hair. And in one of my haul videos, I added the Ulta Beauty lip mask in there. I added one of those in there for you guys. So the products that I'm going to be adding today, they're not, you know, high dollar products, but they are good products in my opinion. So since I love lashes, I added a pair of the 3D mink faux mink lashes from Shop Miss A, the AOA Studio lashes, the lashes that I always rave about. And these are in the style Jean. And to me, these are more of a everyday lash, a natural lash, if you like a natural lash, not a very bold lash. And the second product I'm going to add, because I love sheet mask and I'm always talking about sheet mask and skincare, I'm going to add you guys a Yes To Hydrate sheet mask in here. Last but not least, y'all know this is not one of my favorite products, but some people really love it. So I hope whoever gets this giveaway really loves it. It's a trial size of the Better Than Sex mascara. So these are the items that we have in the giveaway so far. So continue on the giveaway. One of my good friends, she brought it out to me that she was very disappointed that in my haul video that I did not let you guys know that that Jeffree Star sale was available. But unfortunately, I was at work, and when I went to work, I forgot my ring light at home, so I wasn't able to record the whole time I was over there. So in order for me to communicate with you guys better about sales and stuff, I started a Polished Beauty Instagram. It's new, so it's polished_beauty Tavia, Tavia. I'm gonna put a link below for you guys, so you can follow me on that Instagram channel. I can update you guys on sales. I can let you know what's going on in my day-to-day life. I might update you guys on some personal stuff, some stuff that happens at work. You just never know what you might find on my Instagram. But more importantly, I can reach out to you guys very easily and let you know when those sales are going on. So that's gonna conclude the giveaway section of the video. Now I'm gonna add some more stuff in here. If you want to stay tuned, please do. It's gonna be some interesting things. I got some products I'm gonna review. So you guys, first thing I want to talk about is in my last 2 videos, that FabFitFun unboxing and my haul, I didn't have on no lashes. And I was watching, I was like, dang, I forgot to put on my lashes. But let me tell you what happened, why I didn't have on no lashes. So me and my husband, we wanted to try the Popeyes chicken. So we knew that we had called the Popeyes and they said that they were going to be in stock the next day and that they open up at 10. So he went to go get the chicken sandwiches. We bought one for everybody, for the kids and everybody. And so I was doing my makeup. I was like, well, babe, I'm not hungry. I'm doing my makeup. I'm about to film. But he brought that sandwich in and I was just like, okay, I'm going to take a bite. Girl, that sandwich was so good. I sat there and I ate the entire thing. And I put some lipstick on. I forgot to put my lashes. And I just went to record. So let's just blade up on the Popeyes chicken sandwich. By the way, that chicken sandwich is delicious. So one of the products that I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a quick review on, let me tell you, sometimes I add gems in my video. My son said I be clickbaiting. But I really don't think I clickbait. And to me, what I think is when I add a gem in my video is like at the start of my video, I might tell you what eye look I'm wearing. I might give you a product review on that palette if it's my first time using it. Or I might tell you about a product I use that I don't like, because I don't want to dedicate a whole video to those products. And sometimes people be wondering, you know, what I have on my eyes, what I have on my lips. So I just put it in the video. So I add, so if you haven't watched all my videos, you're missing out on some of those gems. I did some palette reviews, some looks on some of those. So I like doing it. To me, I think, you know, gem may be what's going on in my day. What I'm doing right now, that might be just, to me, those are little gems that I drop in my videos. I'm going to try to continue to do those because I like doing it. It just helps you guys get to know me a little bit better and let y'all know, you know, what I'm wearing, what I'm into right now. So I'm going to add some gems in this videos. I'm going to go over some products that I like, some products that I didn't like from my haul, or from I recently got. So this palette is the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I use this palette today on my eyes in connection with the Sweet Talk palette. This palette is really good. I use the shade Still Shot and Riff, and then on my lowest lashes I use the shade Wild Heart. So this is Still Shot, this is Riff, and this is Wild Heart. To me, these shadows, they blended great. They were great. This is a great palette. I love it. That's what I'm gonna say. And I use it in connection with the Sweet Talk palette because I wanted a pink shimmer shade and it didn't have one. So I used the Garden Date. And it's a good color. It's a good shimmer shade. But like I say, I've got other formulas that's got better shimmer, a shimmer formula. But it's a good palette. It replaces a lot of palette. It's still one of my favorite palettes for the summer. Another product that I love, which I'm sure you guys already have, but if you don't have this, I don't know where this one was purchased from. It may have came from Shop Miss A, I'm not sure. But it's a quick change color, and it's got a little sponge on here. Like when you're doing your eye makeup and you want to use the same brush, you don't want to mess up all your brushes and you want to change your colors, you just take your brush on here and it takes that color off, and then you're free to use another color. This is a tool that I love to use, and I wanted you guys to know it. Another item that I had, I recently did another video of rating my my primers and my setting spray. So this was one of the primers in there that I said I did not care too much. It's the Ciate Landing Hydrating Primer. I think this video is gonna be up for that one, but I gave this primer another chance today, and I'm gonna be honest with you. This primer does what it says it does. It's hydrating. So for that aspect, it's a good primer. But I like for my primers to smooth and blur. Ain't no blurring in this. So this is why this is not one of my favorite primers. But if you need a hydrating primer, I mean, it's a good primer for that. Also, I wanted to go over, I'm wearing the Benefit Cookie today. I love this highlight. It's a nice highlight. But I wanted to show you guys, because I forgot when I swatched it, how I swatched that Shop Miss A Trophy Wife. And I said that it disappeared on me. So we're going to do that. We're going to swatch this Benefit. And then we're going to see. You see that? You can still see highlight. It don't disappear on you. When you swatch something and you do like this and it just disappears, just fades away, that's not a good highlight. That's how it's going to do in your face. It's just going to fade away throughout the day. So that's just my little tidbit. Also, I got some brushes that I've been enjoying, that I used today that I enjoyed. It's this one and this one. It's the Eco Tools brushes. They came in a pack of 3. Eco Tools has some good brushes. It came in a pack of 3. I was trying to find the front of it. It's the Warms Ocean Breeze Essentials. And it says it's a 4-piece collection set. I guess because they give you this little case with it, but only 3 brushes come with it. And these brushes are phenomenal. I love them. You could probably get them from Ulta on sale. I'm pretty sure I got mine on sale. Another product I want to go ahead and tell you guys about is the Becca Hydro Mist translucent powder. I've been using this powder. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, this is the only powder that I have been using. This is a great powder. It feels, if you put it on with a dry brush, it feels cool to the skin, very hydrating. You really don't need to set your face if you just setting your under eyes with this powder, because it set itself. It sets itself. Now I'm gonna put this powder up there with the Laura Mercier, but I'm gonna put it right there with it. That if I ran out of the Laura Mercier, I would just still continue to use this. I would. This is a good powder. I love it, and I got the shade Translucent. I love it. I would try a different shade if I needed it, but I love this one. And if I run out of this, I would definitely repurchase it. Now, another product that I tried and that I bought in my haul is the Shiseido facial cottons. Let me tell y'all this. Now, these facial cottons, they are thicker, if you can see, in width and they are more luxurious than the regular facial cottons. But to me, it's a waste of money. I like using, I mean, it don't matter to me. I'll use them 1-2 times. I use it and I trash it. And so for that reason, that I don't need the Life of Luxury on a cotton swab, or this do the same thing as a cheap cotton swab. I don't need it. I'm going to use these up, but this is not a repurchase for me. I wouldn't waste my money on it. I would continue to use the cheap ones because they're going to trash anyway, so who cares? We throw that in the trash. I also tried today I tried the this is the Purely's Matcha Green Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. I like this. This is supposed to be a primer, but today I used it as a moisturizer because I wanted to use this. But I actually do like this. It's a good product. I got it, I think, on an add-on. If you can get it on sale or something, you know, if you was interested in trying it, it's a good product. But if you have moisturizers and primers that you love, there's no need to run out and buy it. It's not that special to run out and buy. So the lashes I'm wearing today are Jackie Love, the Faux Mink. These came in my lash box. So I want to I'll tell you guys I'm gonna have some upcoming videos. I hope you guys, I'm gonna have some new content coming out. I hope you guys subscribe to follow me on my Instagram channel. Thank you guys for joining me. I appreciate it. Goodbye.